This will be our third section in string methods. In our previous session, we have seen slice, substr, substring, and repeat. All these 7 methods we have seen. Now in this session, we are going to learn about these 7 methods. Replace, replace all, trim, trim start, trim end, pad start, and pad end. Now first let us start with the replace method. Replace method is nothing but it is going to replace string. Whichever string I want to replace, I can just replace this using this replace method. Now this will be the syntax, whichever variable I have created and where I have stored the string. This is my text variable dot replace method. Inside this I have to pass 2 parameters. First is the search string, which string I have to replace, and with what word I have to replace. I will be passing this in the second parameter. Okay, using this string we are just going to work, and this will be the syntax text dot replace. I will be writing here black, and I just want to replace this black with green. Okay, we will see the example and we will see. Okay, here I am having 3 blacks. Using this replace method, which black will be replaced with green. And also we are going to see about regular expression in this. Okay, once we see practically, you will understand what are this regular expression. And also we will see replacing using function. I will come down. I will be writing replace method. Inside this, let me just write here const. I will be copying the entire string from here. And inside this, I will just paste that string. And also I have to create one variable text. And here, let me just write here let. I will save this. I will open the console. And also I'm just going to open this. Now below this, I will just print this log text. I will save. I am having this result. I have black car and black scooter and black suit. Now we are going to see replace method, and this replace method will also return a new string. This original string, whatever we are having, that will not be replaced. Now inside this dot replace, here which word I want to replace? I want to replace black color with green, or whichever color you want to get replaced, you can just replace. I will save this. Now you can see I have green car and black scooter and black suit. Only the first word, first match, it is being replaced. Here I am having black. In okay, these are case sensitive, it is not getting replaced. Only the first match will be replaced. Now we will use one regular expression here. When we are using regular expression, we will not be passing this single quotes or double quotes. We will write here slash, and here also we are just going to write slash, and here I will be writing G. G means globally, wherever I am having black, I just want to replace with green. I will save this. You can see here I am having black and here I am having black. So both are replaced with green color. But this is also black, but D is capital here. So it is not getting replaced. So if I just want to replace that as well, I can just write here I. Okay, case sensitive. So when I write that one, everything will be changed to green. Okay, this is the replace method using regular expression. And whenever we are using regular expression, we will not be enclosing with single quotes or double quotes. We will be wrapping them using this slash. And if I just write here I will remove this. I will save this one. Now if I write here case sensitive, okay, you can see here I'm having it. It can, like, first match can be black, BLACK, whatever it is going to replaced with green color. Now if I just write here B, capital B, but here I have given black. I will save this. You can see first match will be getting matched if I write here I. But when I write here black for this normal replace, this is not getting matched, but the second one will be matched. So in this second result, only the second will be changed. Okay, so you should be very careful when you are using this regular expression, and also you should be very careful with this capital and small letters. This is the replace method, and also the words can be replaced using functions. I will come down. Functions we have not learned till now, but later on you will understand about functions. But only for this example, I will be using a simple fat arrow function. You don't have to worry about the syntax. In next sessions, we are going to learn about functions as well. Here I'll be creating one function. Let me just write here final is equal to, I will be writing my text dot replace method, and inside this I just want to replace black color. Black, and here I will be creating one parameter match result. This match result is nothing but it should be exactly matching with this black color. I will be opening this fat arrow function, and inside this function will be returning. Let me just write here return match result. I will change the spelling. I will save this. Okay, now I am not having any result. Let me just comment this. Okay, only text result is displayed. Now if I just want to display this log, let me write here final. I will save this. Now you can see I have black car and black scooter and black scooter. Nothing is replaced. Now whatever result I am getting, I just want to change that one. Okay, now this word it is already in lowercase. Now whatever result I am getting, I just want to change to uppercase. I will save this. Now you can see that word only that match it got changed to capital letters. If I write here half, I will save this. This half it got changed to capital letters. This is going to match this word, and that result whatever I'm getting, I'm just converting to uppercase. Now here if I have, now it is already in uppercase. Now I just want to change to lowercase. I will save to lowercase. When I'm converting, again I'm having this because here I have passed half. Nothing is getting changed. So here I'll be writing half. I will save. Now it got converted to lowercase. This is how we will be replacing the strings, and using this replace method, we will be able to replace only the first string matches. If it is capital or small letters, it is case sensitive. So if you want to replace that, you can use regular expression, that is G and I. G is for global and I is it will just search for case sensitive. Even if it is not matching, that will return the result. Okay, this is all about replace method. I will copy. Here I will be pasting that one. And next we are going to see about replace all. Now this method, what it is going to do, it is going to replace all the values. How many times I am having black? If I use this replace all, it will be replacing all the black words with whatever word I want to replace. This will be the syntax, search string and replace string. Same string we are going to work. And this black, when I give this example, it is just going to replace entire thing. Okay, here I should just write here replace all. Okay, I will be changing this one. Here I should be writing replace all. When I write replace all, this black color, here I am having black, here I am having black, and also here I am having black. But as I have given all the letters in small, so only these two will be matched and that will be replaced with green. But when we used replace, only this first one it was getting replaced with this green color. Now this also, using regular expression we can change entire thing, and using functions also we can replace the strings. Now let's see practically. Okay, this is my text. I will copy this first one, and inside this I'm going to paste, instead of replace, I will write here replace all. I will save this. You can see, okay, and also here let me just change the text. I will save. See, first and second both got matched, so all are replaced with green color. This it is not getting matched because B is in capital letter. So for that we will be writing regular expression, that is I. I will just write here I. I will save this. As soon as I save this one, you can see one error I got, type error. String.prototype replace all called with a non-global regular expression argument at string replace all, which means that whenever we are using this replace all method, and if we are using this regular expression, we should always write here global. I will save this. Now when I see the result, everything got changed to green color. Now if I just remove here I will save this. You can see all, only wherever I am having black that got replaced. But if I write here it is going to consider this black as well. Okay, case sensitive, insensitive, it doesn't matter, and I will get the result. But when you are using replace all, you should always be having this global expression. Okay, but for this one, let me just comment this out. But when you are using this regular expression in replace method, you will be getting the result if you just pass I. But when we are using replace all, we should always have this. Only then we will be able to write this I. Without that, we will be getting this type error. This is all about replace all. Now let's see the function. I will be writing replace all black, and whatever word I am having, I just want to change to lowercase. I will save this. So here I'll be getting the same result because both are black. Now if I write here B, I will save this. You can see that third one also got changed to lowercase. This is all about replace method and replace all method. Replace will be changing the first match and replace all will be changing all the matches. Using replace, using global expression, we can change entire thing, and also using irregular expression, we can match both case sensitive and case insensitive. Replace all, directly it will be replacing all the strings whichever it is getting matched. Okay, and also we have seen using functions how we can extract part of the string and how we can apply methods to them. And you should always remember that whatever data we are getting from here, whatever matches and whatever it is getting replaced, that is a complete new string. Okay, this will not change this original string. You should always remember that one. Now I will comment this out. We are done with replace method, replace all method. Next we are going to see about trim method. Now trim method, what it is going to do, it will remove the spaces from start and end of the string. This will be the syntax, and trim method will not be having any parameters inside that. Now you can see starting here I am having some space and ending also I am having one space. Okay, this spaces. So using this trim method, we can remove the spaces from here. This is how we are going to write trim method, and the output will be this space and this space will be removed and we will get this result. Now we are having trim start. We are going to see that practically as well. Trim start, what it is going to do, by the name itself we can understand it is going to remove the starting space. So if we are having, this will be the syntax. If we are having space on both the sides, only this starting space will be removed. Okay, this space will be as it is. Okay, that we will see practically. And trim end, by the name we can understand only the ending space will be removed. So this will be the syntax, and this is the example we are going to work. Only this particular space will be removed. Okay, this is how we are going to write that. Now let us see this practically. I will come down. Hope you are understanding all the methods. Trim, const, text, and inside this I'm just going to pass that one. I will come here. I will copy. I will paste that. Ending I have given some space, and also starting let me just give the space. I will maximize this. You can see starting and ending I am having the spaces. Now if I just write here console.log, and inside this I just want to print text. I will save this. Now if I show you the result, you can see starting I am having space and also ending I am having this particular space. Now I just want to remove the space. So text.trim. As soon as I write this method, you can see the result. Now here I don't have space, and end also I am not having space. So this space and this space will be removed using this trim method. Now in the same way, let me see trim start. Now what this trim start method will do, okay, trim start is not a function. Here I just have to give capital S. I will save this. Now what it will do, it will just remove the starting space. This ending space you can see it is still there. But here when I hover on this, here I am not having any ending space. Let me just maximize this. Now you can see for this I am having this particular space. Ending space is still present. But for this I am not having. For this text also I am having this. Using trim method, both the spaces will be removed. Using trim start, only starting space will be removed. Ending space will be there. Now in the same way, if I just write here trim end, I will save this. You can see only ending space will be removed. Starting space is still present. Using this trim method, we will be removing the spaces from start and end positions. Okay, this is all about trim method. Now we are going to see about pad start. Now what this method it is going to do? This method is used to pad a string with another string until it reaches the given length. The padding is applied from left end of the string. Okay, this I will show you. Now, if you are aware of CSS, here we are having one box, and here I am having some content. Here I am having some content inside that. If I give padding of 5x, 5 pixel, what it will do? From inside this, I will be getting 5 pixel space. Okay, this space I will be getting 5 pixel, 5 pixel, 5 pixel, 5 pixel. All the four sides, this space will be applied. So using this pad start, what we are going to do, whatever length we are giving, suppose here I am having one letter apple. Suppose here I am having one word apple, and for this word I am having the length as 5. But I just want to define the length as 10. So what we will do, we will just pad that one using the letters whichever we want to pad, or by just giving the spaces. Now let us see the syntax. Once we see practically, you will be having clear idea on this. Okay, this will be the syntax, and this is my text data. Now for first one, if I give here pad 8, this what I am telling, this is the length. Okay, this parameter what I have given, this is the length I want that string to be. Now here the length is 4, but I want 8 length. So what I will be doing, here I will be leaving 4 spaces and data I will be writing at the end. The padding is applied from left end of the string. So this is the left side. So this is the left end. The 4 spaces will be left here, and whatever data I am having, that will be displayed here. Now this is the second example. 8 length I want, but I just want to pad with AP. So AP it will start here, AP again it will start here, then whatever data I am having, that will be displayed. I want the length as 10, and also here I am having data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, this word itself is having 11, and here I am having 4. So total is 15, but I want length as only 10. So data first 4 spaces will be occupied by this letter, whatever I am having. Then remaining will be occupied, whatever word I have given. So that remaining will be occupied here. So only till E it will be occupied, and we will get the length as 10. Now finally, here I am having 3. But for original string, I am having the length as 4. Now whenever we are having lesser number here, the entire result will be displayed here. The entire result will be displayed. Okay, this is all about pad start. Pad end is similar to this one, but at the end position, the words will be added and the words will be applied here. Because syntax will also be the same, rest everything is same. We will see this practically, and you will be having a clear idea on this. First, let us see pad start. I will comment it out. Now inside this, I'm just going to create one variable text. I will give the variable string as data. Console.log. I will be passing my text, whatever text I am having, pad start, and inside this I just want to give 8. I will save this. I will refresh. Now you can see 4 spaces are added. Now for this, if I just write here log text dot length, I will say for text the length is 4. I will copy, and here I will be pasting, and this one I'm just going to create in separate variable. Let text2 is equal to text2 dot length. Okay, now text2 length will be 8. Okay, this is how we are just going to increase the length. If we are not having sufficient data, then we will be doing pad start, and we will increase the length of that. Now using second parameter, we are just going to work. I will come down. Text dot pad start, and inside this I just want 10 length, and also I just want to display using this mangoes 1 2 3 4. I will save this. You can see only till E it will take, and data will be displayed. So in the same way, if I just want 10 length and I just want to display AP, so AP, then my data will be displayed. Okay, how many times it can take, it will take, and data will be displayed. And for this pad start, at this starting, this letters, whatever I am giving, that will be displayed, and length also will be given at the starting. And if I give pad start lesser than this data, then I will get my complete result, this data. Okay, this is all about pad start. I will come, copy, and here I will be pasting that. Now we are going to see pad end. Now for this pad end also we will have the same result, but at the end this will be added. Let me copy the entire thing. Here I will be pasting, copy, paste, 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 and paste. You can see first length, this data length I got as 4. This text2 length, after padding 8, I will be getting that result as 8 length. Then 10 2. You can see first data I am having, then rest it will be filled by these words. Then 10 I am having, I just want to add this AP. So data, after this AP, AP, AP. So totally 10 letters. And finally 2, which is less than this length. So I will be getting the complete result. Okay, this is all about pad start and pad end. And why we are using this, because suppose if you have stored somewhere apple, for that apple you don't want the length as 5, you just want to increase the length. So for that you will be using this pad start and pad end. Based on your requirement, you can use either pad start or pad end. And directly if I just write here pad end, length I will give 9. I will save. You can see at the end this position. At the end the spaces will be added. And if I don't give anything, I will save this. I will be getting my same result. Okay, we are done with this section. Okay, in this session, we have seen replace, replace all, trim method, trim start, trim end, pad start and pad end. Next session, we are going to learn about more and more methods, and we will understand each and every method.